You good? You good? Okay, excellent. Excellent. He's not a homeless guy, Daniel.
Yeah, that's why I'm not crackhead.
He's not a crackhead either. What do you think? Just because he has this developmental issues, he's a crackhead? Come on, Daniel.
Is he doing this for free?
Well, he came over here mumbling. By the way, you know who's good at understanding his mumbling? No. Well, maybe.
Mike?
No. Voice to text when auto translate is on when you upload a video to YouTube. It figures out exactly what he's. Yeah, it does. I'm gonna show you right now. There he is. All right. You good?
I'll be great.
What?
We're gonna sweep this.
You gotta clean the whole parking lot.
I'm not going back.
And you get $20 when you're done.
You'll be gone.
What?
You'll be gone.
I'll be gone? No, we'll be here. You'll be here for a while cleaning the parking lot, but $20.
Give me that.
Give you 10?
I want to give you
No. No, I'm not giving you 10. No, it's $20. Deal's $20. You clean the parking lot for $20.
Capacitor.
That's a 40 microfarad capacitor.
Yeah.
440. Where'd you find that at?
In Jay Levy's attic.
Wow.
And it tests at like 44 microfarads.
Someone threw it out. They didn't know what they were doing. They weren't testing. That is a freaking.
You know how heavy it is.
You know what's got in here that's good?
Oil?
PCBs. Wow. The broom is bullshit. The broom works very, very well. Sorry. You give up already?
I'm gonna get my fill and go here.
Okay, you come back. Okay, I'll leave $20 for Peter. He's got to clean the whole parking lot. He came over here, hit me up for money. He came over here trying to hit me up for money. Like, give me $20. I'm like, how about? He sees me sweeping. By the way, he stinks like urine.
That's gross.
I know, it's gross. They should. I don't know where he's living at. Around the corner. How clean is your truck? Yeah, it's all right. Satisfactory. Would you like an electric Sprinter?
Why?
I'm just asking.
I mean, I feel like it'd be a pain, but
Why would it be a pain?
because charging it?
Why would charging be a pain?
Like, how long is it gonna last?
A day at least. Maybe a week. Plug it in here. So I gave him a mission. He asked for $20, and I said, clean the parking lot for $20. So the parking lot is a big parking lot, all right? But this side is pretty clean. So you gotta do that side. Is Daniel still in there? No. All right. I should have him like, no, don't ask him for any money. See, if you were smart, what you could do is once a week you could wash all the vehicles here. You know, we wash 5 vehicles. I'll give you like $1.250 every Friday afternoon. But you know, you can't just come here asking for money, because coming asking for money, those days are over. You gotta work for your money now. You gotta work for it. You're like Britney Spears says, you gotta work, bitch. You gotta work, bitch. Dance. Dance! Yeah, he's dancing. He's got the Italian shoes.
All I need drumroll to make it easy.
Bop, 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 bop.
All I need is a guitar.
Oh, you need is a guitar? Oh, man. You want a guitar?
What guitar?
I'm gonna get you a guitar.
Amazing.
I'm gonna get you a guitar, and we're gonna put you out front here, and you're gonna play the guitar, and you put a little hat down, you get the money. I'm gonna get you a guitar.
I'm going to
I'm gonna get. Yeah, you're gonna go on YouTube. That's right. You'll be the. That's right.
You know I don't like you. I think go. I ain't got. Well, you gave me the money. Somebody's don't.
Someone's got. You gotta take a shower, bro.
Boy,
You need laundry. Fresh laundry.
All
right. I'll catch you on the rebound. I wonder what would happen if I got the guy a guitar. What do you think would happen if I got the guy a guitar? No, I gave you hats already. He didn't steal your hat. He did not steal your hat. Okay, keep it moving. I'll catch you on the rebound. Nah, he ain't got nothing for you either. But we're gonna get him a guitar.
Guitar?
Yeah, I wanna get him a guitar.
Why does he say he can play it?
Just, he said he wants a guitar. So imagine if I give him a guitar, or we get him a guitar, and he sets up shop in front of like the nursing home next door, and with his hat down. Tips, teep. Like Kelvin. Oh, you weren't here for that.
Yeah, I know.
Teep, teep, teep. Off camera, I literally just busted my ass right here. And it hurts. It really does hurt. But Daniel just opened up the ACIQ, the new air handler box. Yo! Take a look at this, guys. This air handler, I don't know if the video's catching it. This air handler, holy shit. This is fucking hot. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
This thing just reeks of money. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is fucking gorgeous. Look at that. And it's skinny. What's the width here?
14 and a half.
14 and a half. Oh my God. Hold on, can we get a little hydro coil for this thing?
That's what I'm wondering.
Oh man, we're gonna have to make some ductwork. Wow. That is gorgeous.
20 by 14.
Wow. That is gorgeous. So I arrived at my first service call today. Easy peasy, a generator maintenance. Change some oil, change the filter, change the air filter, spark plug gap on a Generac generator. And I go there and the battery is dead. And the status light on the right side of the generator is blank. So I get my trickle charger and test the battery, and the battery's charging slowly. Of course, it's going to take hours upon hours. So I grab this thing. It's a, I don't know, it's like $80 on Amazon, and it's to jumpstart cars. Hook that up to it, and it does not want to start. I'm like, oh my God. So I'm testing, and there's two wires that go from the transfer switch from the house to the outdoor generator, and it carries DC, 12 volts DC, and a neutral. And of course, the 12 volt DC wire, I do not have continuity in. So I don't know what happened. It's about 150 foot run, leaving the transfer switch up to a top of a second floor attic, across the attic, down the outside of the house in conduit, 2-inch conduit, PVC conduit, right? Because it also contains the line voltage, wiring, so when the generator runs, it's powering the transfer switch and powering the house, right? So down 2-inch PVC conduit and underground, and then it travels about 50 feet. And there's no continuity. How do I know? Because I removed some wiring and then I used my my voltmeter to check for continuity, and there's no continuity. So I'm thinking that either the homeowner invests in a Tesla solar batteries and abandoned the generator that we installed last year, which is not going to happen. It was a replacement generator. He had an older generator that got a little wet from salt water, flooding. That was a generator that we smelted on the Smelting with Mikey Pipes YouTube channel. So I'm thinking, no, I'm not thinking we're going to put in solar batteries. We're going to put in solar though, I'm thinking. For under $100, I can get a solar panel, a small solar panel array, which operates a battery tender, a trickle charger, which will then charge this 12-volt DCB battery. And I will save him probably thousands of dollars by putting in a solar panel hooked up to the battery, and that will maintain the battery. What do you guys think of that? So I'm letting him get back to me with an answer on that. It sucks. And I fell this morning and my hand really hurts. It really does hurt. But I hope and pray that nothing's broken, because that would suck. Living the dream. But we're living the dream. By the way, I knew that Tesla owners are freaks. The guy's dancing to his tune of his own drum. There is no music playing, by the way. He is literally just dancing. Man, I would love to see this guy bust his ass.